Hi! In this video, you will see how to use the NextGen platform so you can begin your learning journey. Let's get started. To access 21st century courses at no cost, enter this URL on the web browser of your mobile or computer: web.opportunity.wfglobal.org. This is the first screen you'll see when you arrive at the NextGen platform. Here, click the Get Started button. If you have signed up earlier and have your login details, use it to sign in. However, if this is your first time on this platform, click the Sign Up button. Then, enter your email ID and then click Create. Enter your password and then confirm it. Then, click Confirm Password and sign up. You will receive a verification email from Wadhwani Foundation. Check your inbox and open the email. Click the Verify Email button to complete the verification process. Now you'll see a confirmation that your account has been verified. Click Sign In now. You will be redirected to this screen. Here, click Get Started. Enter your login ID and password and then click Sign In. Now you can create your profile in less than 30 seconds. Just enter basic details like your name, city, contact number, year of birth, and your gender. Then enter your most recent education qualification. Congratulations! Your profile is now created. You can edit your profile details by clicking the profile icon. To take a course, you will need to enroll first. To enroll, you need to enter the batch code. If you have been assigned a trainer, he or she will give you the batch code. Enter the 12-digit batch code and click the Enroll button. Now, you're ready to start learning. Click Resume to begin. On the right-hand side, you will see the course menu. Here, you can see all the topics that you will study in the course. Every course starts with a program orientation video, which includes details about the lessons, assessments, and the scorecard. Click it to watch it. This video will help you understand how to complete the course, so take your time and watch it completely. From the menu, click the plus sign, and you will see all the lessons within that module. Click a lesson to view it. This is how a lesson will look. Each lesson will have 5 parts. To complete a lesson, you will have to complete all 5 parts. To start your learning, click the first part of the lesson. When you're done, click the next arrow to move to the next part of the lesson. For the think part, always select normal mode. Keep continuing like this until you have completed all 5 parts. Then, you can move on to the next lesson. This course has multiple formative assessments during the length of the course and one summative assessment at the end of the course. Before you can attempt an assessment, you must complete all the lessons listed above it. The way to access all these assessments is the same. To get started, just select the assessment from the course menu. Then, click the assessment to open it. Now click the Attempt Quiz Now button. The assessment questions will display one by one. Read the questions carefully and select the most ideal option. To move on to the next question, click Next Page. After you've completed all the questions, click Finish Attempt. If you are unsure and want to revisit your answers, you can click Return to Attempt. However, if you are satisfied and don't want to make any changes to the answers you've selected, click Submit All and Finish. You will be asked to confirm your selection. Click Submit All and Finish. Now, you'll be able to see whether you answered each question correctly. If you have answered a question incorrectly, you'll be able to see what the correct answer should have been. When you're done reviewing all the questions, click Finish Review. Now, you'll be able to see your score of the assessment. Remember, you're allowed 2 attempts on each assessment. So if you feel you want to improve your score, you can take the assessment again by clicking Re-attempt Quiz. To exit the course section and return to your dashboard, click the Close button at the top left. This is your dashboard. Based on the number of lessons you have completed, you will see your score and the remaining time you have to complete the course. To view a detailed report on your performance in the assessments, click the View Reports button. This is how the report section will look. Finally, to send and receive messages, click the chat icon. You will see the chat section. Here, you can chat with other students from your batch and your teacher. Now, you're all set to begin your learning journey. All the best and happy learning!